Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get RLCraft for Minecraft easily. Alright, so first thing you want to do is to open this website. It'll be linked in the video description below. Now, just hit the download TL and choose your current operating system. A download should now start to appear. But, as I have previously downloaded it, I will cancel. Right, once it's done, run the exe file. Don't worry, it is completely safe to run. A window like this should pop up. Now just install it like any other program, or follow me if you are confused. Once that is all done, just close the installer and find the start file so you can run it like I'm doing here. The installer should have made a desktop shortcut, but here I have it pinned to my start, and I will now just open it. It may take a moment for the program to load the first time. Alright, now that it is open you should get a page exactly like this, and now, you need to hit TLmods. It is in the bottom right corner of the window, and will take a moment to load. Once this new page pops up, go to search, and type RLCraft, all one word. Now, just click the first result. It should take you to this page. It should look something like this. Now, go to the top left and hit install. Once done, go to the home page, then select the second drop down menu and select RLCraft if it hasn't been done already. Then hit enter game. It should take a while to install, so feel free to do other things in the meantime. Once it has installed, it will open and have a Forge loading page. This should take a minute. And there you have it. You should now have RLCraft installed for Minecraft. Thanks for watching. If that's all you're here for, then this video is done. But if you want a little proof it works, continue watching. Here is a little gameplay from the game. Sorry about the crappy quality, my PC can't run the screen recorder and play at the same time. Trust me, it is much smoother in real life. Well, that's it. There's a little proof that RLCraft really works. I hope you've enjoyed that. Again, thanks for watching. Hope it has helped. If it did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And check out other channels and videos on screen now.